Welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. This is called Osmo Pocket Power Director Setup. Well, if all you have is an Osmo Pocket, this is the way that you're going to use the Osmo Pocket to do handheld shots with more stabilization. This will increase your stabilization by 1.5 times. With your Osmo Pocket wireless module, which is out here, as you can see, and I've connected the Osmo Pocket, this thing, the GoPro mount. Then I've got a tripod mount which is connected to a Joby gorillapod. Now the Joby gorillapod I've been using like this for vlogs rather than, you know, I've seen traditional vloggers just folding all the legs back and stuff like that. I'm actually going to hold it like this. The Osmo Pocket is so light that it does not even, you know, alter my or I literally face any sort of problems. Now out here I've got a chest mount. I've attached a Joby gorillapod kind of clip, and I've put small you know, like iPhone, and with this iPhone I can see the shots I'm directing. So even if I'm doing shots like this and stuff like that, I can actually see the shots, you know, like which way I'm going to. Now easily I can control all my you know, frames per second and everything out here. So I can actually shoot AFC, I can go for pro mode, and I can select what sort of stuff I want. So right now my video format is going to be MP4 just because it's for a test. Now FPV is a better mode that is recommended so that you can actually do a lot of creative shots. Now without even talking, let's do some demo shots. We have got Techfive out here, if you guys can see, hold on, out here. So that's Techfive out here. Techfive is going to be behind the cameras taking videos for me. So thank you Techfive for doing that, and we are going to shoot Techfive. Alright guys, so this was the whole setup. I actually had put the Osmo Pocket in flashlight mode, but not in flashlight follow mode. It's going to be in flashlight in FPV, because you can adjust the, you know, like the angle like this. My iPhone was just used, you know, like to just used as to frame shots and everything. Listen guys, I'm not a pro or anything, okay? I just did some basic shots. I am not a filmmaker or anything, to be very frank, but these ideas can be used. So like this whole grip setup, you know, like for the Osmo Pocket, can be used in many different ways. So like this is the whole setup that you can use. You can even hold the Osmo Pocket from here, and then you can do creative shots, walking very gently and doing the shots like this. So yeah, if you like this presentation and if you think that this Osmo Pocket is a great idea to use it in a lot of B-roll or C-roll shots, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do press that subscribe button, maybe somewhere in the left or the right. Take care. See you again in the next episode. Until then, adios. Goodbye.